What up, everybody? I'm in the gym parking lot, but today's video is going to be a carbon fiber steering wheel install. I had to go to Harbor Freight and pick up one of these. I know you're going to need a 10 mil. I've been watching a few videos, so you're going to need one of these 10 mil because you can't take it out with an Allen wrench. I heard it's pretty hard because it's Loctited, I believe. So then I went ahead and got some Loctite too, because for some reason I keep losing all my Loctite. I don't know, like the Loctite for me are like 10 millimeters. I just keep losing them. First things first, disconnect the battery. I am gonna clean this up. It's getting a little corrosive over here and stuff. But disconnect your battery because you don't want to have that airbag blow up in your face. That's also why I'm not gonna be sitting in front of it when I take it off. So you're gonna put this in here, push in. You're gonna feel like something there and it's gonna have play in it. So you're gonna push in and then just hit it all the way through. You don't have to hold this in there, and then you could pop out that part of the airbag. Same thing for the other side. There's one over here, little hole. Where's it at? Right there, same thing. I'll show you guys real quick. I just really don't want to stand in front of here, just in case this thing decides to go crazy. Okay, so there's the hole. I feel something there. Oh, hold on. Okay, yeah, cool. Now, airbag should come out. As for this, there it is. Boom. Now that the airbag's off, got these connectors over here you gotta hit. All right, this is the furthest I could get it. So there's a couple of plugs in here. You guys can see right there. Hopefully my big old heads ain't in the way. Let me see, guys, if I can make you guys a little better for me. All right, yep. So got that one out. I'll show you guys exactly where it is. And then this one's just kind of a pain. Okay, there it is. Ooh, that hurt. It's cold outside. So this one, looking at the airbag this way, if you're hanging it, you got to push in right here. Take that out. And for this one, this is the connector I was having an issue with. You got to pinch both sides and pull up. Like pull the whole thing up and it just pops out. Now we just gotta take these two Phillips right here out. So there's this white sensor here. You just have to push up right here. Let me get a little closer. Push up right here and pull it out. And then Phillips. And then from there you can pop this out right here. And then we'll get to this part. When we get to this part, these just pop out as well. And then these pop out as well too. You got to pry up right here and then pry up in the back over here. All right, now you should be able to pry off this little, let me see, this little piece right here. Yep. I'm pushing over and back towards me. There it is. Okay, now that we got all that out, we are gonna go ahead and pop this out, which is the hardest piece. You can't really screw this up because there's already a notch right here. If you guys can see, let me see if there's a notch right there, that little black piece. So as soon as you pull this off, the new steering wheel, I didn't show you guys yet, but also has a notch right there, a little bubble, so you can line up. So yeah, as soon as you take this off, there'll be another notch too on the thread. So let's see. You could just pull this off slowly. You want this harness to slide through this hole, and that is it. We're gonna have to take this black piece off, so I believe you just pop it off like that. 1, 2, and then the bottom 3. Come on. Okay, because this is where your stuff goes, so yeah. All right, time for the new wheel. Oh yeah, don't forget to take these out, guys, and put them on your new steering wheel. So these just come up over and then bang, we'll replace it while we take this off. Fire. And then you do the same thing. So put it in here and then up and over. All right, yeah, so that's it right there. You gotta lift it over the little thing, and that's it. And let me do that side real quick. Pull behind and over. Clap that off. Oh, sorry guys. Same thing in here. Come up a little bit, get it over and boom. All right, so, and then now you gotta put your little black trim. So these got a clip in here. And then what I did was I put it on my lap and then I banged this part in real quick. From here I went. And then this side I went. Same thing. All right, guys, let's install this. Put this through this little hole, this little tunnel thing you got right here. Bang, bang. Don't move that too much. Cool. There it is. Nice and straight. Cool. All right, now we can put that bolt back in. Just remember, guys, when you do turn the car back on, you will have a bunch of lights and codes because you disconnected the battery. So let's see. You're gonna have all these lights. Well, the door open is not a light, but you know, this, all that fancy stuff. Yes, sir. This is a fire steering wheel, guys. It feels good. It's good on the hands. I like it a lot. Oh no, I just love the steering wheel, man. I'm gonna get gas and then I'm gonna clean my garage so I can put this car in there because it's getting cold out and I'm not trying to like warm my car up for 30 minutes just to drive to work. Obviously if it's in the garage it'll be a little better, but I let it warm up a little at home like for like 15-20 minutes and the temp didn't even go up. If you guys can see, it's crazy. What the heck is that about, right? But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for everything, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace.